Well, I don't know if you knew this, Texas ranks 4th in the nation when it comes to the number of Alzheimer's disease cases and 2nd in the number of Alzheimer's disease deaths. But a hospital right here in Houston, they are testing an experimental treatment that is showing encouraging results.
And phase 1 of the study is now being done at Houston Methodist Hospital. To talk more about the study and the promising impact, we have Dr. Howard Berman, CEO of Coya Therapeutics. This cause is personal to you now, Dr. Berman, and do you mind sharing a bit about your experiences with Alzheimer's?
Sure. I, unfortunately, like many other people, have been afflicted and affected by family members who have, unfortunately, had dementia. And this is a disease of the family. It's not just a disease of the individual. And my father, who was a brilliant person, triple board certified physician, had a cognitive dementia, and unfortunately that resulted in a slow decline that resulted in his unfortunate death. But it was through that I met with Dr. Appel, Stan Appel, and found the opportunity, and now we are taking this therapy through to patients.
And your company, Coya Therapeutics, has released new research regarding Alzheimer's disease treatment. Can you share a bit more about this exciting new research?
Sure. So what we have begun to discover is that Alzheimer's is really a disease that has a high level of inflammation in the brain. And that if you can control the inflammation, then you can potentially either slow or maybe even stop the disease from progressing. So we are developing an injectable drug. It's a protein that when you inject it, it acts to slow or stop the inflammatory process. And we've some very exciting results that we've seen in early studies.
Yeah. And Kerrigan, you're a big advocate for Alzheimer's Association, and I am going through this now with my own mother. So I'm really excited about this new treatment and the therapeutics that Coya is developing. But I want to know now from the caregiver's standpoint, how are they taking the results?
Well, everyone is very excited about it. It was what we call an open label study, which means that there wasn't a placebo control. And any trial that needs to be taken very seriously for a potential approval has to have an arm that has a placebo. So while it's very exciting, we're now involved, and actually Methodist is involved in a larger study that has a placebo arm that compares the active treatment to a placebo, and that data should be out next year, early next year, and that should be able to give us a lot more answers as to the efficacy of this treatment.
I am so excited to see the results. So is the trial still open? Can people join? What part of the clinical trial are you in?
Yes. Well, that trial is fully enrolled, meaning that there's no more spots for patients. However, if the data are continue to be very exciting and promising, we are looking at it right now, discussing with strategic big pharmaceutical companies, which you ultimately need in order to bring a drug all the way through to commercialization and approval.
Okay. All right. So where can we go for more information on Coya Therapeutics?
You can go to our website. It's Coya Therapeutics, COYA Therapeutics.com. And we are very excited to broadcast the news that we've presented, because we think we're on the right track.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us today. It's great information. I love all that you're doing here and just bringing the awareness of it. And again, we will all continue to fight this fight.
We will.
That impacts so many of us on a daily basis.
Yeah, this is very personal for me, for all of us. So every day we take a step ahead.
Yeah. Well, thank you for joining us today. You're watching CW39 Houston. No wait, weather and traffic. We will be right back.